Hey, good to see you. Welcome to the AI Today. Welcome to our deep dive into the world of artificial intelligence. Today, we're exploring the latest innovation from OpenAI. O1. The OpenAI team has unveiled some of the most exciting use cases for O1, showcasing its potential to revolutionize industries and enhance our everyday lives. Let's jump right in. 1. Personalized learning experience. First up, we have education. O1 harnesses advanced natural language processing to create customized learning paths for students. Whether it's math, language learning, or complex scientific concepts, O1 tailors content to fit individual learning styles, keeping students engaged and motivated. 2. Content creation revolution. Next, let's talk about content creation. O1 is set to transform how creators work. From generating blog posts to crafting social media content, O1 analyzes trends and audience preferences, producing relevant and engaging material. This not only saves time but also allows creators to focus on strategy and creativity. 3. Enhanced customer support for businesses. Improving customer service is always a priority. O1 steps in here, providing instant responses to inquiries and resolving issues more efficiently. By integrating O1 into customer support systems, companies can enhance customer satisfaction and loyalty, creating a win-win for everyone involved. 4. Innovative healthcare solutions. In healthcare, O1 is a game changer. With its ability to analyze vast amounts of medical data, O1 assists healthcare professionals in diagnosing conditions, recommending treatment plans, and predicting patient outcomes. This enhances patient care and streamlines operations within healthcare facilities. 5. Creative writing and art generation. For writers and artists, O1 opens up new possibilities. It helps brainstorm ideas, generate story plots, and even craft poetry. In visual arts, O1 collaborates on design concepts, suggesting and generating visuals that artists can refine, fostering creativity and exploration. 6. Streamlined business operations. Businesses are always seeking optimization. O1 plays a crucial role by automating routine tasks and analyzing market data for strategic decisions. This allows teams to focus on high-level planning and innovation while handling daily operations more efficiently. 7. Personal virtual assistants. Imagine having a virtual assistant that understands your preferences. O1 makes this a reality. With its advanced conversational abilities, O1 can manage schedules, set reminders, and suggest activities based on your interests, enhancing productivity and promoting a balanced lifestyle. 8. Data analysis and insights. In our data-driven world, O1 excels at sifting through complex datasets to extract valuable insights. Whether it's for market research, financial forecasting, or social media analytics, O1's analytical prowess informs strategies, helping businesses stay ahead of the curve. In conclusion, the potential use cases for OpenAI O1 are vast and transformative. From education and healthcare to content creation and business operations, O1 is poised to become an indispensable ally for educators, business leaders, and creative professionals alike.